Då kollar man ju ner det. Det har jag ju gjort hela tiden.
Yeah, it's like throwing dry safari. Yeah.
Just
One morning animal thing. Oh, we got a couple hours in the morning, right? 2 hours? Oh, that should be enough.
Okej, ska jag göra så?
I'll get a couple more POVs while I just show good daylight. And no rain.
That is not a fjord.
That's not fjord. No.
I asked the Swedish person.
Oh, okay.
Not a fjord.
Fjord's like a big cliff, right?
And they're only in Norway.
Oh, really? Fjord's only in Norway. Interesting.
According to the Swedish person.
Okay.
He wasn't a geologist, so maybe not.
I guess I need to look at what a fjord is.
Alltså jag såg ut sådär.
That is not.
That's not fjord. Okay.
It's a lake.
It's a lake. Okay.
Or a river.
Oh, okay. Some body of water. Okay. Oh, we got a couple of potatoes in the back. Or maybe this road.
I know where I'm moving to.
Where? Okay, I'll follow you.
Glöm inte din skiffa.